Welcome to the 2005 Honda S2000. This is the AP2 model. The last year, right before they switched to drive-by-wire. So this has the old-fashioned cable throttle, which is one of the reasons why I love this car. So I love the AP1, revs the 8900, which is amazing. This one has a little bit more torque. They refined the car. This one revs to 8250. And this metallic flake in here is just superb in the sunlight. And the 05 and 04s come with probably the best wheels. I think so. A lot of other people think so too. Unless you're getting the club racer, this is the AP2 to have. In a highly desirable color. This one is in really good shape, no dings or dents. And this is all stock too. So nothing's been done to this car, just oil changes and regular maintenance. We'll go ahead and pop the hood for you real quick so you can check it out. So I believe this car has an inline 4, 240 horsepower. I believe it's 162 pound-feet of torque. But yeah, stock airbox. This is actually classified as a mid-engine, front mid-engine vehicle. The balance is just amazing in this. Nothing else drives like it. There's just so much room in here. If I wanted to put a supercharger or a turbo in here, they just make it easy. All this space here, if you take this airbox out, I don't know if you've seen one with a cold air intake, but it's literally empty in the front. So, amazing little car. A feat of engineering. Super nice interior, holding up really well, as Hondas do. Nice place to be. Let's go ahead and turn my foot cam on. So yeah, I love the cockpit in here. Everything's just made for you. It's just a driver's car. Really nice shape interior. We do have an aftermarket CD player, which is nice, so I can hook up my phone to it. Speakers actually sound pretty good. So yeah, this does have one of the best shifters of all time. They always say that Hondas and Porsches have the best feeling transmissions, and I'd have to agree. Let's go ahead and start it up. So this does have a push to start, but you have to put the key in and then turn it and then hit the engine start button, which is really cool. And this car on the way here just turned over 50,000 miles. So this is a special ride, special video. So we're gonna go ahead and take it for a little spin. This car feels super mechanical, even though it is the AP2 and more refined. Still feels super mechanical and raw. Makes all the good noises. This car does have a stock exhaust as well. It still sounds amazing. The AC in this car works perfectly, ice cold. Always a plus on a sunny, hot day. Sometimes even when I have the top down, I'll have the AC on. Or if I have the top down and it's cold outside, I'll have the heat on, which I'm sure that's what a lot of people do. But this is the first convertible roadster I've ever had. So. Such a good driving car. I don't think I've ever had as much fun driving anything else as I do with this car. There's something about it. Some people complain about the steering, but to me it feels really good still. I can still feel everything that's going on. Compared to all these new cars that are coming out, they're completely numb. So there's a lot of other things in this car that make up for that. just an engineering masterpiece from Honda. It's a shame that they don't make anything like this anymore. Which is good for people that have them because they're becoming collectors. This is a pure enthusiast model. So let's say you just got out of your Honda Accord, your daily driver. This car does feel kind of uncomfortable in that sense. Like if you're dailing this, I wouldn't want to do that, but you can still get away with doing it. But once you get used to the car, it feels pretty good. But yeah, if you just all of a sudden switch from a nice, comfortable daily driver, then it does feel like you're jumping in a go-kart and driving around town. But from the factory, this car is pretty well balanced. You can drive it on the track if you want to, and then drive it home. It's pretty nice. One thing worth mentioning on this car too, it's actually been featured on the Topher's channel and on Winding Road magazine. So we'll go ahead and do a little quick 0 to 60 easy going. She's a good driving car, this one. Even though the S2000 is very special, and you hardly ever see them on the road, driving the one with the Rio Yellow Pearl, seeing it while you're driving, just makes it seem a little bit more exotic. Rev matches and heel toe in this car is unmatched. Hugs the corner. Feels so tight and stable. That mid-engine balance. So my battery did overheat, which is unfortunate, but I wanted to show you how fast the top goes down. Probably the quickest top to ever go down, which is pretty amazing. So we're going ahead and drive it real quick. Put my earmuffs on. It's the feeling of driving this car with the top down. I don't know if there's anything better than this. For the price point, of course. For me, you know, I haven't driven everything, so. Unfortunately, I have the GoPro 11 still. And when I was hanging out with the Topher, he was like, oh, you have the GoPro 11. Those have an overheating problem. So that's something I got to do. I got to get a new camera, but I'm just doing the best I can right now. But if you guys like the video, please like and subscribe. Doing the best I can with working and taking care of my dad. So I love you guys. Just following my dreams. So if you like the video, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.